So this is how you change the thumbnail for your YouTube short video. So you can start by uploading a short from your desktop PC, and keep in mind that the video should already be in vertical or square format, which is appropriate for a YouTube short. So you can choose the name and then go to your YouTube Studio app on your smartphone. Go to your content section, and there you will see your video being uploaded. You can click on the top left corner for edit. Then you choose your custom thumbnail. You can choose the one you would like to upload. Then click on save. Save again. And then you can go back to your PC to check if the upload is complete. So the key is here to change the thumbnail while the video is being uploaded. So unfortunately there's no way to change the thumbnail after the video is complete. So you can see the video has been uploaded. You can process it. Next. You can set it as private to see if the thumbnail has been changed manually. So yeah, there we go. And if you then click on the video, you can see that it is in a short format, even though it has a manual thumbnail, custom thumbnail. There you go. So yeah, that's it. There's also another way to change the thumbnail. It is with your YouTube app on your smartphone. You can create a video, choose a video you'd like to upload, which also must be in the correct format for a YouTube short. Wait until the video is being prepared, and then click on next, and again next. And again in the top left corner you will see an edit icon, and then you can choose different thumbnails. So here you can only choose the thumbnails that are presented to you. In this case there's no way to upload them manually. So yeah, wait until the video is being processed, and after that you will see that the thumbnail is changed when you check in your desktop PC. Okay, that's it.